Today we're making a strawberry classic champagne cocktail, and we're making it with love.
Of course, we're gonna be using some champagne.
Today we're using Le Chemin du Roi, the good stuff. Today we're using the cutest strawberry heart-shaped sugar cubes that we made from scratch. And they're adorable.
And tasty.
Yeah. These sugar cubes are so simple to make. All you need is a 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of some strawberry juice. Mix that up, put it in a mold, let it sit overnight, and there you go. Pop them out, and they're just so cute. I love using sugar cubes in a cocktail just because it makes it so much more fun. It's more of an experience.
And you can use them for so many cocktails.
First, we're going to be adding 2 of our heart-shaped strawberry-infused sugar cubes to our glass. Next, add 2 to 3 dashes of bitters. I really love a lot of bitters in my cocktail, so I'm definitely gonna go with 3. You like 2 or 3?
2.
I'm gonna go with 3. 1, 2, 3.
Next, we're gonna go in with some champagne. Woo!
And last, we're garnishing our cocktail with a heart-shaped strawberry.
Cute.
The cutest. And if you want to booze up this cocktail, try adding 1 ounce of cognac to it. If you want to, really get in the mood.
If you want a little stronger drink. Cheers to love.
Cheers! This is a romantic, bubbly cocktail, and nothing says I love you like some homemade heart-shaped sugar cubes.
Now go ahead and make this for someone that you love.
Cheers!